Hi there, it's Hathichu with Mob. Today I have something really exciting that I want to show you. So as you know, you can run Mob as part of any CI/CD pipeline alongside with a SAST scan to consume the results of those scans and generate the auto fixes. Now what I want to show you today is how you can actually take things to the next level. In this case, I want to show you specifically with GitHub or GitHub Actions, how you can actually bring the fixes down into a pull request as part of a pull request comment, such that you and your developers can actually commit the fixes directly within the pull request or without having to leave the GitHub interface. Now the tool that we're going to be using today is OpenText Fortify. All right, let's get started. So here I am at the CI/CD integration page of Mob. I'll be including the link to this page down below in the description box. Now the tool that we'll be using here is GitHub. So let's leave it at that and click on continue. And the scanner of choice, as we said before, it will be OpenText Fortify. Now on the right-hand side here, you have two options. You can either fork our demo repo so that you can try this out within your own environment, or you can pick a repository from your list. If this is the first time you're trying this out, I would definitely recommend you try out the demo repository just so you can see how this works. But in this demo, I will be picking one of my repository. And at the bottom here, I'll be selecting Java because that's the project that my repository is coding in. We also leave a small reminder on the different tokens that you will need to include within the GitHub project in order to make this work. So specifically the Fortify tokens and the various different variables that needs to be included. All right, once we're done, let's click on the view workflow. And what this will do is it will take us to the pull request page of my project. Essentially what we're doing here is we are committing a set of different workflow files that's needed to create this particular integration. As you can see, there's a script that's needed to support Fortify for it to run properly. And we also have a YAML script that's needed to run the job. Okay. And as you can see, we do have a small reminder again on the tokens that we need to supply to the project in order to make the Fortify scan work. And that's actually what we're going to be doing first is by going to settings under secrets and variable. As you can see, for me, I already have all the different tokens loaded up within this repository. So once that's done, let's go back to my pull request and I will proceed to merge. And with that, we're ready to try this out. So I will start from my project page with my source code here, and I'll be going to one of my Java files. And what I'll do is I will purposely introduce a SQL injection by uncommenting this line here, so we can see how this works. And we'll generate a new branch based on this, and then we'll create a pull request. Okay, so the scan is now running, and we'll give it a couple minutes for this to run and come back once it's complete. All right, looks like the job is now complete. Now, if we are to scroll up to the comments section here, so as you can see, Mob was able to bring the fix down into the pull request, and you can see here a SQL injection fix is now ready. And we can see the typical things that Mob does, which is to show which lines to remove and what lines to add in order to address this particular SQL injection issue. And if you're all good with the suggested fix here, you can actually click on the green commit fix button to commit the fix right away. Or you can also use the link down below, which you can actually fine tune the fix from Mob's user interface as well. In this case, I'm good with the fixes that's been suggested here, so I'm just going to click on the commit fix. And in a couple of seconds, Mob will be committing the fix directly into the new branch that we were working on. Okay, so looks like the fix has been committed, and you can see that here as well. SQL injection fix has been committed. And if we are to use the file change tab here, we can also see what exactly is being committed here. So you can see the new fix is now being added into the new branch as well. If we go back to the pull request, you can see at the bottom, the job is going to run again, basically to allow Fortify to confirm that the fix is indeed good to go and that there's no more additional issues. All right, so I hope this was helpful to see how you can quickly and efficiently bring the fixes down into a GitHub pull request for you and your developers to fix the issues very quickly, all without having to leave the GitHub interface. I should also make a note that this only works on the basis that the changes that are detected within the pull request contain SAST issues, and in which case Mobb can generate the auto-fix comments within the pull request. If you still want to fix all the issues that are detected within your repository, you can still integrate Mobb as part of your regular workflow and use it that way as well. All right, so if you have any questions or anything that you want to discuss, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or the team here. And with that, I wish you have a nice day.